Hey crypto fam! Ever cruised through a delicious crypto buffet, piling your plate high with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all sorts of exciting tokens, only to be met with a hefty bill at checkout? That sinking feeling can hit hard, especially when you thought you were dealing with a free-flowing exchange. Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Gemini withdrawals. Specifically, are they free? Buckle up, because things get a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. The freebie fantasy. Let's face it, who doesn't love free stuff? In the crypto world, exchanges compete fiercely for users, and sometimes that means offering sweet withdrawal deals. So, is Gemini one of those generous exchanges offering completely free withdrawals? The answer is, well, it depends. There are a few factors at play here. First, let's differentiate between depositing and withdrawing. Thankfully, depositing your hard-earned crypto onto Gemini is completely free. You can load up your account with your favorite tokens without any Gemini-imposed fees eating into your stash. That's a good start. The not-so-free reality. Now, when it comes to withdrawals, things get a little trickier. Gemini offers a limited number of free withdrawals, but there's a catch. This perk depends on your location and account type. For instance, in some regions like Singapore, you might get 10 free withdrawals per month. But after that, you'll be hit with fees. The fee factor. So, what kind of fees are we talking about? Gemini employs a two-pronged approach to withdrawal fees: dynamic and flat fees. Dynamic fees are for cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, excluding Gemini Dollar, GUSD. These fees fluctuate based on something called gas fees. Think of gas fees as the toll you pay to miners who process your transaction on the blockchain network. Basically, the busier the network, the higher the gas fee. Flat fees, on the other hand, are a fixed charge for withdrawing specific cryptocurrencies. You'll find a clear breakdown of these fees on Gemini's website. They're not outrageous, but they're definitely not free. Beyond Gemini's grip. It's important to remember that Gemini isn't the only player in the game. The withdrawal fees you encounter might not always come from Gemini itself. The destination wallet you're sending your crypto to might also have its own withdrawal fees. So, before you hit that send button, double-check both sides of the transaction to avoid any nasty surprises. The final takeaway. So, is withdrawing from Gemini completely free? Not quite. While you get a limited number of free withdrawals depending on your location and account, you'll likely encounter fees in the form of dynamic gas fees or flat withdrawal fees. Remember to factor these costs into your overall crypto strategy. Beyond the fees. Look, fees are a part of the crypto game. But don't let them discourage you. Gemini offers a secure and user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing your crypto. Plus, their limited free withdrawals are a nice bonus, especially for casual traders. Do your research. The key takeaway here is to do your research before making any withdrawals. Understand Gemini's fee structure, check for any potential fees from your destination wallet, and factor those costs into your overall crypto adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.